Hey, this is Alex from AirChatty CRM, and today I want to talk to you about adding a domain and how you can actually link this domain to Cloudflare so you can manage your DNS through Cloudflare. Obviously, you can manage your domain in other places like Namecheap or GoDaddy or even Google DNS or any other service you have. But for this example, I am going to use Cloudflare. And you should know that with AirChatty CRM, probably Cloudflare is the best solution to use. So we're going to go through linking the domain to Cloudflare. We're going to go through preventing robots to index the website initially because you are in the development stage. And then we're going to go through how to make the WW version of the website to work as well. So let's jump back right here in the dashboard. And the first thing we need to do is to go to settings at the bottom left, and then domains. And here in domains, we're going to go with add new domain. And we're going to go botwizards.io. And you see AirChatty is giving you an IP address. So let's copy this IP address. And then we go in Cloudflare. In Cloudflare, the way you link your domain in Cloudflare is just go add a new website here. Type in your website, and then you have an option to choose free. And choose free, and then it will give you two name servers. The name servers are these ones for my Cloudflare account. So you will get different ones, but very similar. These two name servers, you have to go at the registrar, so where you registered your domain from, where you purchased it from, and there is a section there, name servers. So update that section with these two name servers, right? And once you've done that, then you basically get a similar view like this one. Okay, so you'll see your domain here, and we work in the DNS side right here at the top left. So now what we need to do is click add a record, and we want an A record because that's what AirChatty is suggesting. So we go with an A record. We leave it as it is, and we put at in it, and then we put this IP address, and we make sure we disable this. Okay. Now you can give it a comment, whatever. So this is AirChatty site, for example, or whatever comment you want to give it there. Right, and now it takes some time until this A record will be distributed across all the DNS servers around the world. But in order to check whether this is working or not, there is a website, a very helpful website. It's called dnschecker.org. And right here, if you put your domain name and then you select the A record, because you want to check the A record, and you will see it's going to return the IP address which we set in here. So Cloudflare is pretty quick in delivering these updates across the world. So we have this now. Now we go here and see you have a robots text code as well. So in order to prevent initially Google and Bing and whatever other search engine to index your website whilst you are building it, you need to put a code in here. So let me find this quickly for you. So prevent robots. Okay, I'm just looking in my other monitor right now. So it is simple. To hide the entire website, use this code. It's not a code, it's more like some text. Yeah, user agent colon space asterisk, and then disallow colon and / okay. We're gonna click add, and voila, the domain is linked successfully. Now it's asking you, okay, which funnel or which website would you like to basically link to this botwizards.io? And I have a few demo websites that I've created here. Okay, so obviously I know them. I'm gonna go with this one for now, and it's asking me select the default funnel step as well. Which one I want? I want the home, obviously, and then I'm just gonna go with link domain. Okay, so now if I go to botwizards.io, I should see my website, the digital marketing website, which is probably selling a, yeah, there you go. All right, so I can see I have a padlock here, which means the connection is secure, and that's due to AirChatty CRM applying an SSL automatically for your website, so you don't need to worry about this. But now if I go and search for www.botwizards.io, it doesn't work. So let's fix this as well. So in order to do this, we need to make some configuration inside Cloudflare. So we go here and we need to add a CNAME. Give me a second. Add a CNAME record for www pointing to flash.funnels and so on. Okay, so we need to add a CNAME, add CNAME for www pointing to this flash.funnels.msgsndr.com. Okay, and keep the proxy status ticked this time. Okay, select it. Right. Okay, we added this. Now we need to go to page rules. So here in the bottom left side you have rules. Go to page rules, and in page rules you need to create a rule, and the rule will be doing this. Whatever it comes to this www.botwizards.io// then we need to select forward URL, okay, and with permanent redirect 301 to this one, and here we're gonna have just botwizards.io. Okay, right? Okay, and now we click save and deploy the rule. It's enabled and so on. Okay, so now if I go and refresh this www, it might take some time. Usually it does take some time when you set a new page rule. Let's see if I can do this in incognito. I don't even need to put HTTPS and so on it. Okay, yeah, it doesn't for now. So let me double check one more time. 301 permanent in the add in the destination URL, add that. Did I put HTTPS there? HTTPS, yes I did. Botwizards.io. Right. Okay, so let's leave it for a minute. I'm sure it's gonna work. It takes a little bit of time. I know that. The page rules, and that's the one. Yeah. Okay. And going back here, obviously you can add as many domains as you want. You don't have a limit on these domains. So if you want another domain to link it to one of your separate funnels or one of your different websites, micro websites, and so on, you can add multiple domains right here. Okay, each domain will be linked to a specific website, and in the next video we are going to talk about websites, and hopefully by then the www version will work as well. Also, here you have XML sitemap, is where you basically can create the sitemap. Select, you know, what pages would you like to have in your sitemap, if you want all of them, or maybe you only want these ones. Okay, and then generate and save, and there you go. Now we have a sitemap. So you can import this in your Google Search Console or anywhere you want, you know, to have it. Okay, just from here. If you want to make changes to the domain, like if you want to edit the domain to actually run from a different website or from a different funnel, you can achieve this by just going on the edit icon and then selecting here what other website you want. Let's say I want this one now. So we had a marketing agency, if you remember. So keep trying that. Nah, not yet. All right, so all wizards. There you go. There is a different template that it's showing here. Okay, so this was it. This is how you add domains. I'm hoping I didn't forget anything. No, I said anything. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much. See you soon.